Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So today I'm doing another favorites. I don't have too many, but the ones that I do have, I'm really excited to share with you. More skincare than fashion and other things. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing my October favorites, then please keep watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, subscribe down below because I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. And if you aren't already following me on my Instagram, then go ahead and do so. It's at Inmyseams. I also have a blog which I post on Tuesdays and Thursdays, or at least I try to. So go ahead and check that out. All the links are down in the description. But yeah, let's just get started. A lot of things happened during the month of October. I went to the ER and that's where I got this little scar here, which by the way, I'm reviewing Mederma. I'm gonna do like 30 days or 60 days. I think I'm gonna do 30 days of like putting it on every day and seeing how good my scar looks from day 1 to day 30. But I had an accident at my previous work at Victoria's Secret and I ended up getting new glasses because my old glasses, like they shattered, broke, blah, blah, blah. But I ended up getting these and I have been wearing them every single day nonstop. These are the MVMT Rio, R-I-O, Everscroll style, but I did end up taking out the lenses that they came with and then I replaced them with my own prescription. Show you guys what they look like on. So that's what they look like on. Aren't they just so flattering? They make me look really sophisticated. I feel like I'm ready to work. I feel like the tortoiseshell also dresses my face up quite a bit, especially when I'm not wearing makeup, or even when I am wearing makeup, it still looks really nice. I have my prescription in here and the blue block lens. MVMT also sells like clear, no blue block lenses, glasses too, but they also sell the Everscroll style, which is to block out the blue rays that are emitted from your phone or from technology. You can always get $15 off with the code SEAMS15, that's S-E-A-M-S 15, and you can get $15 off your entire order, which is amazing. So I would definitely check out the website. I just don't like wearing like makeup, or at least I like have to powder a lot around my nose so that I don't get like bits of makeup on my glasses. But so the glasses are my first favorite. So my next favorite is actually one that I got recently, later in the month of October, but since I've gotten it, I've really, really loved it. And that's this Moonlit Skincare Midnight Shift Overnight Facial Oil for Hydrated Radiance. Now that's a really long name, but this is vegan and cruelty-free, and pretty much this product has lavender oil, and it just makes you feel so good when you go to sleep. Like I used this last night and the night before, and I just slept like a baby. It felt so good sleeping with this on. My particular one came with a face mask, like an eye mask, so I put this on and then I put the eye mask on over, and I just slept so good. I don't know if it's like the scent of the lavender oil. I also have a bed spray that's lavender oil too. So I don't think it's attributing 100% to this, but I will say that I do like the way the product feels. It's really, it makes my skin look very plump, which I love. The serum itself is pretty liquidy, I will say, very wet consistency. They sell this at Riley Rose. If you don't have a Riley Rose near you, I'll leave the link to rileyrose.com down below. Yeah, it smells so good. But if you're looking for something to wear at night that's going to help you go to sleep or maybe put you in a deeper sleep, then I'd highly recommend this one. On to the next skincare favorite. So this is the Body Shop Mediterranean Almond Milk with Oats Instant Soothing Mask. I have been wearing this so much over the month of October. I love the smell. You guys, the smell is pretty much what's going to make me repurchase this. Oh, it smells so good. As you guys know, I'm a Body Shop ambassador for the Century City store, and you guys, it smells so good. Like, I'm not lying. Like, it smells like milk and honey, and it smells super yummy and warm. What I've noticed after I'm done using this mask is my skin feels very baby skin-like, very soft and smooth. I don't necessarily see any more hydration or glow or anything like that, but my skin overall is just really, really smooth. But I love doing this at night right before I get into the bath, and I just throw this mask on and then I let it sit for like however long and I wash it off. Super easy, smells really great, and highly recommend you just smelling it if you go to another Body Shop store. It smells so good. So I've always gone towards my Anastasia Beverly Hills and my Benefit like Goof Proof, I think that's what it's called, like the brow definer but for Benefit. I've always worn those two and my IT Cosmetics Universal Brow Pencil. Like those are the 3 eye pencils that I've always worn, like repurchased, and that's just what I wear on my brows. After I was sent this, I really think I'm gonna repurchase this because number one, I'm wearing it on my eyebrows now, but the color is just perfect for me. So I was sent the medium brown color, which is typically a little bit lighter than what I would actually purchase. But the reason I'm recommending this is because it's a 3-in-1 contouring brow pencil. And I don't know why it says 3-in-1 because, oh my gosh. I literally just realized that you can screw this off. What the heck? No wonder. Okay. Wow, I'm slow. Okay, so I actually just thought it was the end pencil and then the brow gel, but you guys, this screws off. How did I not know this? I probably should have not thrown the package away. Okay, good to know. So I loved, the pencil applicator tip. The only thing I don't like about it is that it falls out a lot. Like, okay, it's not falling out now, but it falls out a lot. So I don't like that about it. I'm just gonna throw that cap back on. Apparently there's like this little thing, which I have not tried, sorry guys. But I really love that there's a little, like a, what is this, brow gel at the end of it, and it's tinted too. So I've been wearing the pencil and then the brow gel together every single day on my brows, and I'm obsessed with how my brows have been turning out these last couple of weeks. I've laid on a pillow actually, and none of my brows smudged off, which is like what I look for in a brow pencil. So I highly recommend trying this one out. Like even now I'm rubbing it, and after putting the brow gel on, there's no transfer. There's absolutely no transfer whatsoever. So that's really nice because, again, like the brow gel just really sets them in place. And the Body Shop is forever against animal testing, which I 100% support. They're vegan, cruelty-free, so I'm just really supportive of what the brand stands for and the values. Next product is the Victoria's Secret Plump Me Up Lip Gloss in Almost Nude. Now this is the lip plumper. I wanted to put it on now for you guys just to show you what it looks like on. I don't have a mirror with me, so I'm just gonna use a phone. But it's in the shade Almost Nude. It's got like a silicone little tip. It makes all of my darker lip liner shades lighter, which is really nice. The color is a very peachy nude, so it's not super pinky, which is also really nice because I feel like pink nudes don't really look that great on me. But it just gives me the perfect like pouty caramel lip. In terms of plumping, I mean, it doesn't do like the most amazing phenomenal job, but because I also wear liner underneath it, it does make my lips look very full and very pouty and very juicy when I do wear this. So I would definitely recommend trying it out. If you're at Victoria's Secret and you have to buy like one more product, I would recommend this lip gloss. And also there's just so many shades and so many different products that it's always hard to know what's gonna be like worth it. But for me, I would recommend this. It's definitely worth it. And lastly, I wanted to talk about 3 fashion items. So the first one is this scarf, and I'm just gonna put a cutaway here because I'm actually in the middle of washing it. But it's this scarf that I've been wearing literally every day, hanging on my bag, wearing it in my hair, wearing it around my neck, and it's from Zara. It's this leopard print and red trim scarf, and I've just been wearing this every single day for the month of October. I love the look of it hanging around my bag, so I'm just gonna show you a lot of different pictures of me styling it. I'm so sorry that I don't have it with me. It's in the wash, like I said, and it's so dirty since I've been wearing it on my bag, so I really desperately needed to wash it. The last 2 things I've been loving for the month of October are these 2 outfits. So the first one is this one here, and I wore it this last Sunday. I just love the check print trousers and then the white cozy pearl sweater from Zara, and I just wanted to show you guys a couple of outfits that I've been really loving for in my favorites videos now, just because they're outfits that I've honestly reworn worn over and over again during the month. So it's that outfit, and then this one here. I love this outfit. It's just a Uniqlo wool turtleneck, and then I've got all of my jewelry, of course, stacked over it. I've got the Victoria's Secret lace cami on top. Got this gorgeous checked pleated skirt, and then just like some boots underneath it, and it just looks super cozy, super fall. And I love again layering these two pieces. If you haven't seen my how to wear lingerie or lifestyle lingerie video, I'll leave it down below or at the end of this video so you guys could watch. I give you all my tips on how to wear lacy pieces and lingerie pieces for every single day and how easy it is to style. This was one of the outfits that I featured. So yeah, if you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link down below or at the end of this video. But those are all the things that I have for today's video, you guys. The month of October was really hard for me. I quit my last job. I went to the ER. I mean, I don't mean to sound dramatic or like I'm complaining at all, because these were all like my decisions, but the month of October was just a mess. I'm so glad that it's over now. I'm really looking forward to November and December. Those are like my two favorite months in the year. Thanksgiving and Christmas, it just reminds me of all of the reasons why we should be thankful and just be happy and grateful for what we have. So I'm just so excited for these 2 months, and it should be getting colder, hopefully, so that I can start pulling out my coats and my warm knitwear. But yeah, if you haven't subscribed, again, don't forget to subscribe down below. Turn on the post notification button so that you get notified every time I upload, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!